Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn about physical education and sports for children with a special need, also known as CWSN or Divyang. In this chapter, we will explore who these children are, their different types, aim of physical education, government programs, and the important role of teachers in creating inclusion through sports. Meaning of CWSN. CWSN stands for Children with the Special Needs. These are children who have physical, mental, emotional, or social challenges that makes learning and daily life a bit more difficult. They require special teaching methods to help them participate fully in a school and sports. Every child deserves equal opportunity to grow and succeed. Physical education plays an important role in the overall development of CWSN. It helps them improve their health, coordination, and flexibility. It also builds confidence, independence, and social skills. Through games and activity, they learn teamwork, discipline, and courage. Type of disabilities. They can have different type of disabilities. Physical disabilities like paralysis or polio, visual impairment, partly or fully blind, hearing impairment, difficulty in hearing or deafness, intellectual disabilities such as Down syndrome or slow learning, learning disabilities like dyslexia or dysgraphia, and emotional or behavioral disabilities like autism or hyperactivity. Each child is unique and need care, love, and understanding. Causes of disability. The causes of disabilities can be genetic or acquired. Some children are born with them, while others develop them due to accidents, infection, or lack of medical care. Malnutrition and social negligence can also be a major cause. Early diagnosis and support can help prevent, reduce the impact of disabilities. Role of physical education teacher. The physical education teacher play a vital role in shaping the life of CWSN. A teacher should understand every child's ability and limitation, plan simple, fun, and safe activity, encourage all students to participate and motivate them, ensure safety during play, and always focus on what the child can do, not what they cannot do. A good teacher builds confidence through kindness and support. Importance of inclusive education. Inclusive education means teaching both normal and special children together in the same classroom. It promotes equality, friendship, and teamwork. Through physical education, students learn respect, acceptance, and empathy. Inclusion builds a sense of belonging for everyone. Government schemes. The Government of India supports CWSN through several programs. IEDSS, Inclusive Education for Disabled at Secondary Stage. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, Education for All. The Right of Person with the Disabilities Act 2016. And Special Olympic Bharat, encouraging sports for differently abled children. These programs ensure that no child is left behind. Benefits of sports for CWSN. Sports are one of the best way to help CWSN grow and succeed. They improve body strength and coordination, increase concentration and balance, reduce stress and depression, and build teamwork and self-confidence. Sports teach that ability is greater than disability. Challenges faced by CWSN. Even today, children with special need face many challenges: lack of trained teachers, shortage of equipment, and the poor school infrastructure. Sometimes, negative attitude and social discrimination also stop their growth. It is our duty to change the mindset and create inclusive environment for everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, every child is unique, talented, and capable. Let's all promote inclusion, equality, and kindness through physical education and sports. Stay active, stay positive, and always support every child to shine. Thank you once again.